Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be looking, well actually we're going to be updating this Hyper Tough drill that I got from Walmart, a Hyper Tough drill, a year ago. So this drill has been really good to me. I have drilled so many things with it and I have not had a problem with it. The battery's been recharging good. The motor and everything's been working good. There is a slight, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a slight wobble over the period. So I think there's a bearing that's maybe a little bit worn out, but there you go, you can see. It's not a huge deal, but you know, it's wearing out slowly. Honestly, I had no idea that it would even last this long because, you know, it was $20. I didn't expect it to last that long because I used it a lot for a lot of different things. I used it to drill wood. I used it to drill metal, actually, plastic, a lot. Obviously, the walls, like sheetrock for hanging stuff. And for a lot of different projects I did with this thing. So I used it for quite a bit of things. So nothing broke. It still works. Reverse, forward. So the motor has not burned out. It didn't seem like it's getting weaker. Battery is not bad that I could tell, like it's not wearing off. So it's all pretty good, honestly. I'm actually pretty impressed with this guy. And if you need a drill, this is a good one. The reason why is because if you're like 99% of the people that need a drill, you're not like a professional driller. You just need it to have it around the house for the handyman stuff. You know what I'm saying? When your wife says, go do this, go hang that, you need a drill. And that's what this is for. And you don't need to spend a lot of money, because when you do spend a lot of money, you end up doing funny things with your drill. Oh yeah, and the little chuck that came with it actually is doing good. Even though I screwed a bunch of screws with it, it hasn't broke or anything. So for a budget drill, this is a very good drill, and I would highly recommend it. So if you need a drill, get yourself a drill. We'll leave a link in the description where you can get a drill. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. Check out the original review video for this drill. And if you want to see more, click the subscribe button. And this is Goldie that's been sitting in the background, and he approves this drill. Peace.